Today, in this video, I'm gonna explain how to fix game voice chat and mic not working in MW3. From the game, press the start button from your controller, then go to settings and go to audio, then turn on the voice chat, then go to open mic sensitivity and set it as 70 and microphone volume level to 100 and test the microphone. Then go to master volume and press the square button, then go to voice chat volume, then set it as 50, then go to game, then go to account network. Now turn on the crossplay and crossplay communication. Then go back and go to channels. Then click on game voice chat all lobby. Then set it as all lobby. By following these steps, you can fix game voice chat and mic not working in MW3.
This video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.